Hello and welcome back to another Techno Wanderers video. Now today in this video we've had the idea of making a winch, attaching it to cars and dragging them up a wall and into this window. Now this has a lot of scope to go wrong. If the winch stops, if the winch doesn't stop working, if the wind grows too strong, as you can see, you might be able to tell, it is quite windy outside at the moment. If the winch proves not strong enough, considerable damage may be felt on a car, and we don't want that. So this is quite a risky challenge, but one that I'm sure you and everyone filming it will really enjoy.
Okay, so virtually, I'm not feeling too confident because I was sort of like, this is a crazy challenge, because what happens if it falls and then it breaks, then...
Luckily, we're not using any of our cars, we're using all of his cars, so that's fine.
Yeah, yeah. Well, you don't even have any cars.
So I've got a couple of plans for this. So we're going to be using the NXT Mindstorms robot type thing. So we're going to link in a load of motors, maybe some gears. I left those over there, but maybe some gears, and we're just going to sort of make a winch and pull the car up. So the car we'll be using is the Nico Nano tracks here. It's got some good anchor points in the tracks here, and we've got a little front bumper which we could attach a safety line to or something. So we're going to try to make this as safe as possible for the car, and let's get building some contraption. So we've currently got this contraption. It's got some pretty solid points clipped onto this little rim here. And we got the main brick here. Then we go out to this little winch here. It's 2 motors on it, so pretty strong.
It's perched rather precariously on the edge. And,
yeah.
It's also started raining, and it's more windy than it was. So this challenge will prove to be, well, quite a challenging one.
Okay, so we're going to get some string on the end of here, put batteries in this, and we're going to do a quick load test before we put a car on it. So we might try to bring up one of those logs down there or something, and I'll remotely operate the NXT using Bluetooth. So we'll get down there and try to winch up a log. Okay, so we had a couple of problems that this was slipping, so I'm just going to tape that up and hope it works.
So we have Oliver down here.
I'm going to try quite a light log to start off with. I'm just going to tie it to the end of the string and ask Harry to winch it up.
Okay, Harry, get ready.
Just got to tie this up. That is full power.
This winch is really struggling, you know, but like it is pulling it. Go on, mate. Let's get that up.
I think it's struggling more with the actual amount of string.
Guys, we are so nearly there. Oh, and we've made it, lads.
We are up.
We've done it, boys.
In.
Now let's move on to the car.
Please stop the accent.
Yeah.